original seats from a Jaguar E-Type 2+2. This is Series 3, same as the Series 1 and Series 2, barring the embossed perforated pattern on them. In a red, obviously a bit dirty, so a bit misleading. This is the cushion, bit bum goes on, as you can see. Use hog rings to trim all rounds. Flaps here, so these bits here are a vinyl leather cloth material, whereas the top bits here are all leather with the embossed perforated pattern in them. Fairly simplistic in the grand scheme of things to trim. You'll note as well the piping on this edge here does go a bit wiggly, but you can control that when trimming. This ducks down here as well, gets pushed down, and you can see the sort of difference in colours between the bits that have been hidden over the years and exposed. In fact, there you can see this bit here, that would be where the wheel arch quarter panel B-post area comes in, and then this was the exposed bits here. The underside always gives a very good reflection. You can see here just the colour change. So this hasn't been exposed over the years to the dirt and grime, so it's a bit more of a true reflection of the red. So that's the cushion base. You then have the lower backrest, so this sits up here. This is the diff hump here. Again, majority leather, so all along here is leather. A bit of piping down the middle there. Then you have the retainers in a vinyl leather cloth Rexin material, whatever you want to call it. Trimmed around again, mostly hog ringed around, as you can see. Again, fairly simplistic in the grand scheme of things. And then the final piece is the main backrest upper parts. Again, majority leather along here and this top bit here. And then this semi-integrates into what becomes the rear luggage floor area. So this bit here is actually part of that board there. You can see it detaches, so if I just move that out the way. Then you've got the retainer here of the actual seat. You can see it comes round. So that'd be vinyl leather cloth material. Side bits here as well. And that is glued. In fact, you can actually see they've used a couple of rivets there, but just use a contact adhesive spread on, you'll be absolutely fine. Crucial thing with this, you've got a couple of bits and bobs. So you've got piping going across this back edge here, but then you've also got, if you look at the side profile there, the piping on the top really does curve in and out. Part of that's going to be, over the course of time, the actual weight of a person sat in these seats will help form that shape, but you do want to be achieving that from the get-go anyway, or at least a variant of that. So that's a crucial thing to bear in mind. You can influence that by the amount of padding you put underneath. You can see dips in and out in the middle there, so keep that in mind as well.